introduction. Let me first introduce myself. So I'm coming from Germany, from the southern part of Germany, from Bavaria. And the University of Erlangen-Nuremberg is the second largest university of Bavaria. It's about 100 miles north of Munich with 40,000 students. And I'm head of the Institute of Information Systems belonging to the School of Business and Economics in Nuremberg. So let's come back to the title, a digital marketplace for flexible knowledge transfer based on micro-learning. So this is a new learning approach, or maybe better, an innovative approach of knowledge transfer, which is based on three main ideas. First idea is to modularize learning material, to modularize learning content into small fractions, into small modules, which can be digested easily in 15 seconds to 15 minutes, and which can be combined in a very flexible way. Second idea is to do this within a learning community, a group of learners, sharing knowledge, helping each other. Third idea is to do this with hands-on experience, with doing something, with experimenting in a lab. So this presentation fits very well to the previous talk, I think. Let's go to this combination of these three ideas. First, I will have a glimpse at some theoretical backgrounds. So, theoretical background from the technology perspective is micromedia, micro-learning, learning nuggets. And so I wanted to read the definitions. Micromedia created by prosumers. So learners help each other. So like learners do when they prepare for an exam. So they build learning groups, and one learner helps the other to understand something. The other one understands better, and vice versa. So they help each other, they share knowledge. And this is the term of prosumer, producer and consumer of knowledge. And learning nuggets are these small chunks of knowledge modules, which are usually can be digested, can be consumed in several seconds up to 15 minutes. And they are the basis for a self-organized informal learning process. So the idea is how to do this in a technology way. How does the software look like by which you can produce such learning nuggets without any efforts, just using your smartphone, talking some comments to your smartphone, scribbling something on your smartphone, making a photo and commenting the photo, and you have got a learning nugget. And you can store this learning nugget, you can tag this learning nugget, and you can link learning nuggets, and you can store it in a database, and you can create a market where a lot of consumers can have access to and benefit from these learning nuggets. So this is the technology perspective. The didactics perspective is here mentioned by the 7C approach, coming from didactic theory, natural learning by the 7Cs, and you see here the third, fourth, fifth C, experimenting, experience, performance from others, collaborating. So this is the approach coming from literature, here Quinn, some other authors, 2011, as a didactic base of micro-knowledge sharing. So learning community, sharing knowledge, doing joint projects, helping another to solve problems, and learning by solving problems. So this is the basis. So the idea is to use these approaches for a sharing environment, micro knowledge sharing environment for learning purposes. And so benefits, short time frame for creation, consumption, they are easily created, they can rapidly be consumed, and it is not a course, you have not to create a course over a whole semester. You don't even have to create a lecture of 90 minutes, and you don't have to create multimedia, fancy multimedia packages with a lot of technology in, which can be outdated in a few years, as you mentioned. So that's the idea. And here the Department of Information Systems comes into play. How can you do this in an easy way by creating a software platform, a micro knowledge sharing platform, in a, like an electronic market